this E. Okay, dinrapan ng heals. Mia with the gig pots. Again, why do you sacrifice your gig pots in arena? Objectively playing, objectively speaking, do not sacrifice. Just let them kill you. Kasi, pagdating na naka-regroup na kayo, tapos wala ka ng gig pots, talo ka na. Lugi ka dun, di ba? So, bakit ganon? Bakit ganon? Part. Team Red coming on the south. Go center. Don't buy time. Okay. Ayun na, dismounted na po sila dito mga kaibigan. Pero bakit kaka-dismount lang nila? Sana may advantage sila kung nag-ano sila. Okay, reset daw. Okay, may mana na lahat. Nag-reset lang pala sila. Team Navi at Team Kelembo trying to come in. Bakit ito? Yung pinofocus ng Kingmaker. Holy shit, bro. Oh my god. Priorities gone wrong. Habang si Sisius 70% HP. Binobrawl si Resurrect. They're trying to brawl the fucking healers. Humming, nahuli. Nag-drop easy Humming. Nagkitaan ng Kingmaker. Good drop by the Kingmaker. Yun yung sinabi ko. Kailangan lang nila talaga mag-clap and then brawl and then yun na. That's it, bro. They're trying to stabilize. Red team is trying to stabilize but there is no Judy. Sisius secured the kill. Jadok is trying to run. Sisius is full HP and he's trying to kill Jadok here. And he successfully Jadok. Gago. Hindi sila nakapag-win. Maganda na yung clap nila. Kaso nga lang, hindi sila nakapag-sustain. And Team Red is trying to secure kills. Kawawa.
Going down for the count.
And Kelembot is down for the count. Gago ka. Mali yung ginawa nila. Oh my god, do we have English speakers in comms? Yes, we have English speakers.
We do now, Urias.
Oh my god. Okay, they're trying to regroup, take mana on the tent. Mana. Yeah, finals is now. They're trying to sustain their manas. And they're going back. Finals is now.
You mean after this match for final?
Okay. Blue team is dismounted on the south side while the red team is wrapping on the north again. This was their strategy a while ago. Okay. Newsplace taking damage again by the curse and the fire combination. Perfect combination by the red team. While Newsplace is still trying to brawl Hotdog here and it's not very effective. While Petsilog is also half HP already. Milk Tits switch to and Dark Blue is down for the count actually. Jadok is now in. Petsilog is trying to oh my god, Petsilog is low HP. Wait, what's going to happen? Right, red team is struggling right now. They're down by 1 DPS. But yep, they're also struggling by the HPs also. Actually, good job kiting on Resurrect also here. Mia with the hollow pull E jump on the middle. Nabagsakan ni Humming ng E. Milk Tits is gonna go down for the kill. While Janaya popped his clerical. Bakit may clerical sa arena? 7v7 pa at that. And then Jadok is trying to drop his E. And Kelembot nag-switch pala ng aso. Nangangagat si Kelembot. Dark Blue is back. While the blue team's regears are still far away. Petsilog, okay. Nakuha na naman nila. Petsilog with Navi. Pepengo with the rootbound. Newsplace is dead. While Mia Eco is being funneled by Dark Blue. Mia again with the gig pots. What is people using gig pots only when they're running? of course you're going to die there. Jadok trying to drop their E, pero na W ni Pepengo, Jadok's gonna die, and Mia is going to die as well. What is people with gig pots? My god. You should have popped your gig pots when you are getting funneled, right? Damn, bro. Oh, I forgot. Why am I even mad? I'm only the shoutcaster. Why do you pop gig pots though? Like, nonsense, you know? Pop gig pots when you're running already. In arena, but yeah, of course, in a black zone. I mean, if it helps you getting out, then by all means, pop your gig pots. Mana reset lang pala, okay. Okay, we still have 15 minutes on the clock. We have people watching. Okay, hello people watching from all over the world. Welcome to our semi-finals. Okay, Pepengo being carved out. Okay, si Milk Tits pumunta sa backline. Well, oh, tinamaan. Huge E from News Place. Pinatigil ni Petsilog. Si Haming nag-drop ng E. While Milk Tits is focusing. Chicharap, nahuli pa ng werewolf ni Kilembot. Nag-drop ng Judy. Nag-drop ng E si Chicharap for the heals. Milk Tits is up, low HP. Very, very low. Dangerous HP. Milk Tits is down for the count. While Resurrect, nagkikritics dito sa north side. And Kilembot is trying to survive, being punished because you guys are so deep in the fucking ocean. Si Kilembot, iniwan yung jowa. Kilembot, tumakbo. Pero si Mia, hinihil pa rin sila. Kung ako niyan, magtatampo ako niyan. Pero okay lang yan. Mga kaibigan, Mia is dying, trying to survive, pero iniwan na siya ng jowa niya.
Hello.
Mia, halupol e-jump. Nag-gigpats na naman si Mia. Yung timing nag-gigpats niya is ganito. Oy, si Resurrect pumipik. Tinulungan, pero hindi nakaabot. Well, Kilembot is very safe.
Magbe-break yung dalawa dahil sa'yo eh.
Report to news.
Magbe-break Yurius yung dalawang
Report
mag-jowa
natin.
dahil sa'yo eh.
I wonder what's in their comms. Babe, tulungan mo ako. Bahala ka dyan. Ay, dito na.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Guys, jowa means couple, okay? Like girlfriend, boy. I said Kilembot left his girlfriend on the backline. And then si Trim the Balls, pwede naman isang import eh. They're trying to trim the balls is with this pig. Okay. One Jin here. Alright. Okay, nagkakabigayan sa Southwest na firewall pero nag-stalker. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina eh. Adjust according to the composition. Mia, low HP, hollow full jump with a Guardian helmet pero nadrapan ng Tena Hood. Mia is being focused by 3 DPS now, boys. Oh my god, Mia is down. Sinacrifice nila. Half HP lahat. Hotdog na Graveguard helmet ni Pepengo with the rootbound, Haming with the E of the Donsong, and everybody's dead. Bad combination. Very bad, bro. Very bad. Akala ko may turnaround eh. Kaso wala na pala silang defensive doon. I thought there will be a turnaround by these guys here. But the fact is, they didn't have defensives. They dropped it when Mia was low HP. So they got punished for that, right? So this is a game of punishment. If you do something not good, right, it means you're gonna get punished. So what I was talking about earlier is that because Team Pepengo have this, right, the firewall, some of their brawlers switched to Stalker shoes. And they should have been done by the Indo team a while ago because of the Heron Spear. They could have switched to Merc shoes. That was the key to their success on the fight against Navi. Right? Because they have a lot of holds. They got hold inside. Navi drops his Astral Staff, and together with the Heron and the Purge of Kifi, Heavy Mace, they're all done. Right? Nagkakabagsakan, alright? That should have been their winning key on the fight. Alright, Sicius with the E, very effective, natamaan lahat. But Dark Blue is getting punished also. But Chicharap is also getting punished here. Red team came in and they got dominated by the blue team. Blue team is taking space now. Yup. Blue team is definitely taking space right now. But red team was able to regroup and reconquer their HPs, right? Okay, tinamaan, huge E by Resurrect. Petsulog killed one guy I didn't see. And then Pipengo with the root bound. It's a dogfight, guys. It's a fucking dogfight. Chicharap still with the 70% HP. While Mia is still 80% HP with full HP at that. Chicharap is going inside. Na-cancel pa yung face scale robe. Chicharap is down. Red team is struggling to kill people. Nakabawi yung red team. Red team with the redemption. Yup. Dark Blue died. He shouldn't come back. Right? They're trying to finish off Pipengo. Right? Milk Teats with the carving. Hamming, firewall, hindi nasalba, and then red team is forced. They are forced to regroup. What's happening on the southeast? Hi guys. Okay, red team is done regrouping. They're dismounted northeast side here. They're trying to take the space. Dark Blue is trying to rotate on the south side. Do they know this? Yes, they know it. Yup, they know it, and he's getting punished on the south side without getting any heals. Milk Teats with a heavy mace E. Pipengo dropping the root bound. Mia hollow full E and then coming back. Red team is trying to struggle their way in. Petsilog is low HP. Sicius is trying to be effective on the backline, but he's not brawling anyone at the moment. Sicius being forced to pop his defensive D, and Sicius is going to drop his E, hamming with a very big E inside. Janaya with the cleric inside. Milktit is very low. Kelembot nangangagat yung aso. Balayo na aso. Milktit is dead. Janaya is trying to kill out Dark Blue. A huge E again by Resurrect. Resurrect is really having a value to the fight here. Janaya is very low, trying to kite Jadok, wasting the Stalker Jacket, wasting the East. Newsplace is dead. Kelembot is trying to push without knowing that his team is leaving him in the fucking front lines already. Blue team is forced to fucking kite. Resurrect, bakit nag-E? Okay, nag-drop pa ng D. Maganda na sana yung ginawa nila. Kaso they fucked it up again with the veterans securing the kills. 7 minutes on the clock. Score is 92-170 in favor of Pipengo's team, the red team. This game is brought to you by
Banmig, Apple Light.
Calbo, si Calbo. Ay, sorry. This game is sponsored by Sprite. Red team trying to secure. They're not doing their usual tactic wherein they go to the camp and then recover their manas there. They're just recovering on the site. Blue team is slowly regrouping on the southeast downstairs. Okay. Okay, Team Pogi, shout out Kifi Mania from Team Pogi, the winner of the previous fight. They're watching from the East Coast, California. Pampanga. Ay, di pala. Okay. Tenmo, trying to make a value here. Dropping Qs and Ws on the tanks. With Milk Tits, Jadok trying to... What the fuck was that, Jadok? Milk Tits, Heavy Maze, Purge. That was a wrong timing. Judy is being dropped on the tank here on the south side. There is no value to that. Oh my god, this is what I'm talking about. Like, if you play your roles right, you should be able to add value to the fight. Not like this. They're not... Okay, Team Pepengo dropping their Judicator. But then... They still have the root bound. They have their second defensive. Second defensive is down. This is what I was talking about. It's all about the defensives, guys. Damage is always there, but it's nothing if you have the right defensives for it. Right? Firewall. Dark Blue pushing for the kill. Good E by Dark Blue, forcing the enemy team. Okay, nice face kill here. Trying to recover. Nice Guardian Armor. But they left one man behind. That is their leader. That dog. That dog is on fire. And the dog is dead. Yup, they're all dead.
Loko, nalitsad dun siya na si Kelim.
Nagka-leche-leche na po, mga kaibigan. They're trying to pick out people. Petsilog is set up on the north side already. But Sicius is on a very dangerous area here. Sicius is forced to drop his D. And Jadok is dead, their healer. How many healers does this team have already? Oh, Mia and Jadok. Which is a very, 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 very bad idea. No, no. Jadok is not. Sorry. My fault. Team Kelemba trying to chase off. Milk Tits is leading the charge. They're on the stairs. Kelembot is mounted up already. 5v7 situation. Janaya is here with a very cute mule. Still mounted up, which is a very bad idea because these guys won't use and W's you. Okay, he's trying to be hit. Okay, it actually worked. Dark Blue is now low on the south side here, while Resurrect dropped his E, but it's not very effective. While Tenmo is already half HP on the south. Bakit nag-drop ng Stalker Helmet? Yo, huge clap! Huge clap! Dark Blue is going to die. No, he got saved by the Graveguard. But while on the east side here, Sicius and Hotdog is trying to pick off Mia. They're trying to pressure both ends, west and east. Right? Sicius is getting healed. He got protected by Pepengo. The Heavy Mace E is down. Okay. Huge E by Resurrect again. Again, the Fire Staffs are giving value to the fight here. Hotdog with the Clerical, and then he got restored. Hamming, adding value to the fucking game. They're all fighting on Hamming's hand. Oh my god. And News Place is dead. Mia is forced to go northeast. Milk Tits is forced to go northeast. While others are struggling. The dog is dead. Oh my god. Again, the dog is not giving value in the fight. This is what happens when you overbrawl, boys. So you never overbrawl, right? Even if Pitsilog gamay utin. Gago ka ba? Ito yung mga turnaround mga sudden change of comps. Even the boots is really telling you something. Ano, di ba? Mga boots nila. Kita nyo? The boots can really change the game, right? The name of the game. Right? It's all about persistence. Be huge E by Hamming. Hamming trying to kill. Resurrect is dead already. So early. Hindi pa pala sila nakapag-regroup, pero bakit andun na sila sa harap? Oh my god, Chicharap natamaan ng Kingmaker. Jadok is very low on the south, being funneled by Dark Blue. Hinila niya pa yung ibang DPS. Ayan, napunish na tuloy. Not a very smart play by you. While they still have the root bound. Judys are being dropped, Hamming with the big E again. And the dog is on the north side. News Place is on the south. News Place dropping E but no value. They didn't care about it. Sinabi nila, pwe, tabi, dadaan kami. Okay, Hotdog dropping his E. Tinamaan, nilakaran. and they're getting punished. Kelembot with the assassinhood reset? Why? Bad composition. Bad composition. Now you're getting punished. Last struggle by Newsplace, and they died. Oh! Janaya, on the other hand, is trying his best. Alam natin ang kasabihan, Janaya with the clerical, Jadok with the perma, so unexpected, everybody's low, Resurrect with the E. They're really struggling. Yeah, okay. They're struggling because there's no time anymore. 30 seconds. And Team Pepengo
That's the one.
has claimed victory. Sayang, kasi Team Kelembot has really had been doing fine, but due to difference on weapons, right? It's also skills, yeah, but mostly they have the skills. They qualify for this round, right? Like they earned it. But it's because of the fucking composition. Like literally, if you take a look at their comp, bro, this is not effective at all. This one. Right? This one. I mean, I recognize their change of the stopper shoes, but Blood Moon stuff together with the other brawler, I think, nah. Right? Since they have two the opposing team have two range, right? So you need to add value, like because of due to some
We kind of gave up after that. So yeah, what about G?
yeah.